Students, now I am going to discuss the question number 2 and 3 of exercise 10.1. Question number is, the lid of a rectangular box of sides 4 cm by 10 cm is sealed all around with a tape. So what is the length of the tape required? Let us understand first what is given. As per the question, there is a one rectangular box and the lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 cm by 10 cm is sealed all around with the tape. Means what is given to you? Length and breadth of the lid of a rectangular box is given to you. Length is 40 cm and breadth is 10 cm. And this lid is sealed all around with the tape. And what we are asked to find out? Length of the tape. So length of the tape required is same as the perimeter of a rectangle. So here I am going to use the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 times length plus breadth in bracket. Now length is 40 cm and breadth is 10 cm. So I am going to substitute the value in the place of length and breadth. So perimeter is equal to 2 times 40 plus 10 in bracket. Now 40 plus 10 comes 50 and 2 times 50 comes 100 cm. So the required length of the tape is 100 cm. 100 cm can also be written as 1 meter, as we know that 1 meter is same as 100 cm. So what would be our final answer? Required length of the tape is 100 cm, or you can write 1 meter. Any one answer can consider. Now come to the question number 3. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 cm by 1 meter 50 cm. So what is the perimeter of tabletop? See here. Here the length and breadth of the tabletop is given to you. The length is 2 meter 25 cm and breadth is 1 meter 50 cm. Here we are considering tabletop of a rectangular shape. Okay, so length and breadth of the tabletop is given to you. And what we are asked? We are asked to find out the perimeter of a tabletop. So perimeter of tabletop is same as the perimeter of a rectangle, because we are considering the tabletop is having a rectangular shape. Okay. So now first of all write what is given in the question. In the question we are given that length of the tabletop. What is this? How much is this? 2 meter 25 cm, right? But this length is given in 2 units, meter and centimeter. For solving the example, we need the measurement in 1 unit only. So we have to convert this unit in 1 unit only, either in meter or in centimeter. Here I am going to convert this unit in centimeter. As we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is 200 centimeter. Now 200 centimeter plus 25 centimeter will become 225 centimeter. So the length of the tabletop is now 225 centimeter. Similarly, the breadth of the tabletop is given to you in the question. How much is this? 1 meter 50 centimeter, right? Again we need to convert this breadth or this measurement in 1 unit, that is in centimeter. Now 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 100 plus 50 comes 150 centimeter. So the breadth of the tabletop is now 150 centimeter. If you want, you can convert this unit in meter as well. But in that case, you have to divide by 100 to the meter, right? Now we have to find out the perimeter of a tabletop. So perimeter of a tabletop is same as the perimeter of a rectangle. So here I am going to use the formula 2 times length plus breadth. Now substitute the value of length and breadth in the given formula. So it becomes 2 times 225 plus 150. Now 225 plus 150 comes 375. So 2 times 375 comes 750 centimeter. So the final answer comes 750 centimeter. So the perimeter of the tabletop is how much? 750 centimeter. Or you can write 7.5 meter. How this 7.5 comes? If you divide 750 centimeter by 100, you will get the answer in meter. So answer can be written as in meter as well, that is 7.5. If you want, you can write the answer in both the unit, or answer in 1 unit can also be considered.